Google Wallet have a tap to pay facility? Does Google Wallet have a tap to pay facility? Yes, Google Wallet has a tap to pay facility, but remember, the device that you are going to install your Google Wallet on needs to have NFC technology, near field communication technology, which enables the tap to pay function to happen. If your device does not have NFC functionality, then you can just use Google Wallet for everything else except tap to pay. So yeah, if you have a device with NFC technology, you can basically use Google Wallet for tap to pay. It's very safe. Your real credit card number or bank card number is basically needed, and you use your fingerprint or your face to just confirm, and you just need to unlock your phone before tapping, which basically adds a layer of security to your device and your cards. And remember, you can also just store loyalty cards, tickets, gift cards, and not just payment cards. So definitely Google Wallet comes with tap to pay.